Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import Nifty 50 in TradingView Watchlist. Alright, let's begin. First, you need the list of Nifty 50 stocks. You can find it on TradingView's Nifty Components page. Once there, copy all the stock symbols carefully, making sure none are missing. Next, open a text editor like Notepad and paste each stock symbol on a separate line. This step is important because TradingView only recognizes them if they are formatted this way. After pasting, save the document as a text file. Now go to TradingView and open your watch list on the right-hand sidebar. At the top of the section, click the watch list name to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Import List. Choose the text file you created, then confirm the upload. TradingView will automatically import all the Nifty 50 symbols at once into your watch list. So that's basically how you can import Nifty 50 in TradingView Watchlist. That's it for this video. Thanks.